Now another favorite of mine from Mo Willems is Knuffle Bunny.
Knuffle Bunny.
So again,
never read this book.
Really? Mo Willems. So children, it actually has 3 books for this one.
Oh.
So the first one, she's a baby. And then number 2, she gets a little bit bigger. And then number 3, she's like an elementary school student. So what children love about Knuffle Bunny is the pictures have the cartoons mixed with real life, which is pretty cool. And the baby in this one, she wants to talk to Daddy, but she can't speak yet. So Daddy forgets the Knuffle Bunny in the laundry, and they go home. And on the way, she realizes, oh no, my bunny. But she can't speak. So she says some nonsense words. So the children get very excited when teacher says nonsense words. So it's a fun interactive book. So you can start with kindergarten and then move up to when she's in school. And it's a different problem. She brings her special bunny to school, and there's another girl who has the same bunny as her, and they get switched. So
Really?
she's older in this one. She talks more. And then finally, she goes on a vacation to Grandma and Grandpa's house, and she forgets Knuffle Bunny on the plane.
Oh.
So at the end, she gives it to another little girl because she's all grown up. So these books have great little lessons, and the kids enjoy them because they have great pictures, they're not too difficult to read, and they're fun. These ones I recommend using as a teacher story time book where the kids listen and maybe interact with talking about the pictures or asking questions. Those are my favorite Mo Willems books.